Alright guys, so in this video I'm actually going to show you how to change a mixed number into an improper fraction. So a mixed number would look something like this, 5 2/7, and sometimes you're going to need to change this mixed number into an improper fraction. So in order to do that, you really just have to think about going in a circle, alright? So 5 times 7 gives me 35. Sorry, that's a plus sign. And 35 plus 2 is 37. So we took the 5 times 7, 35, 35 plus 2 is 37, and we keep the same denominator, 7. So the 7 just transfers right over. So it's, like I said, it's just a circular movement here. So 5 times 7, take that answer and add 2. That's going to be your new numerator. All right, may be a little confusing right now. Don't worry, once you get practicing, it will be super simple. All right, so let's do another one. Let's go with 3 3/7. All right, so again, we're doing a circle. 3 times 7 is 21, and 21 plus 3 is 24. Take that 7 and just transfer it right over. You don't even need to think about the denominator, you just take the same denominator and move it over. Really what you're trying to figure out is the new numerator, and it's just that circular motion. Multiply, add, and then you get your new numerator. All right, do another example. So let's do 4 5/6. All right, so 4 times 6 is 24, plus 5 is 29, right? 4 times 6 is 24, 24 plus 5 is 29. Big circle here. So 29 is our numerator, and we just bring that 6 right over as our denominator. Okay, I'm going to do 3 more examples. All right, so let's try 6 1/3. Turn 6 1/3 into an improper fraction. So 6 times 3 is 18, and 18 plus 1 is 19. We bring our 3 over, our 19 over. 19 is our numerator, 3 is our denominator. That's an improper fraction. Okay. Let's say 5 2/3. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. Bring over the 3. It's really as simple as that. You just have to get a hang of doing that circle, right? Multiply here, add here, and you get your numerator. All right, one more. Okay, let's see. Let's do 8 2/4. All right, so 8 times 4 gives you 32, okay? And 32 plus 2 is 34. Okay, do you see that? 8 times 4 gives you 32. 32 plus 2 is 34. 34 is our new numerator, and then we just bring over that old denominator. All right, so hopefully all these examples will be helpful for you to complete your practice. Again, if you're confused at all, you might want to keep this video up while you're working on your practice so that you can go through the steps with me as you are completing each problem. If you have any questions at all, of course, you can always ask me, but hopefully this video helped you a little bit. All right, good luck. All right. Alright guys, so I'm going to do a little bit more practice with the mixed numbers to improper fractions method. So if you're having any issues with this, any problems, you're a little bit confused still, this is going to give you an opportunity to watch me do a few more of these problems. And remember, you can always rewind or pause to look at my technique while you are completing your own practice. Alright, so let's start with this first one. 5 and 1/9. So this is a mixed number. We want to change it into an improper fraction. All you need to remember is that circular motion here, okay? So sometimes I even just do that first to keep myself on track. You want to multiply first, so 5 times 9 gives me 45, and 45 plus 1 is 46. 46 is our numerator, and then we just bring over that same denominator. So there's our answer, 46 ninths. All right, pretty simple. Okay, let's look at 3 2/3. So 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 plus 2 is 11. And we bring over our 3 for our denominator, and that is our improper fraction. All right, 3 times 3 is 9. I'll write a 9 out there. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 2 gives us 11. All right. You can always pause it right here so that you can see that while you're working if you need to. All right, 7 3/4. Okay, 7 times 4 gives us 28, and 28 plus 2, or I'm sorry, 28 plus 3 is 31. And then we bring over our 4 for our denominator, and we get 31/4. This is really, really easy once you get the hang of it. So I hope that this is starting to make sense to you. All right. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. 8 is our denominator, so our answer is 17/8. Okay. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 5. You can see I'm setting it up a little bit differently each time I do the practice. I want to do that so that, you know, any of these new ways that I'm showing you, just in the ways that I'm setting up the problem, it may work for some people, it may not. So anyway, back to what we were doing. 4 times 6 is 24, and then plus 5 is 29. And we bring over our old denominator, 29/6. All right, last one. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So 19/3, 19/3. All right. So again, I would hope this was helpful for you. Ask me if you have any questions at all. Good luck.